Ever signed up for something and then felt trapped? Like you were stuck in a never-ending contract you couldn't get out of? Yeah, we've all been there. It's frustrating, right? Especially when it comes to business tools and software. You want flexibility, you want options, and you definitely don't want to be locked into something that's not working for you. That's why today we're diving deep into a question I get asked a lot. Does Lightspeed have contracts? Now, before we jump into the specifics of Lightspeed's contracts or lack thereof, let's talk a little bit about why this question is so important. Choosing a point-of-sale POS system, or any business software for that matter, is a huge decision. It's the backbone of your operations, impacting everything from sales and inventory to customer management and reporting. You need a system that's reliable, scalable, and adaptable to your changing needs. And a big part of that adaptability comes down to the flexibility of your agreement. Think about it. What happens if your business grows faster than you anticipated? Or on the flip side, what if you need to downsize? What if you find a better system that fits your needs perfectly? In these scenarios, being locked into a long-term contract can be a major headache. You're stuck paying for a service you might not need or want anymore, and that can seriously drain your resources. On the other hand, some businesses might prefer the stability and predictability that a contract can offer. It can guarantee a certain price for a specific period, protect against price increases, and sometimes even come with added benefits like dedicated support or custom integrations. So, the ideal scenario is having the choice, the ability to choose the type of agreement that best suits your business needs. So, back to our main question. Does Lightspeed have contracts? The short answer is, it depends. Lightspeed offers a range of plans and pricing options, and the contract terms can vary depending on the specific plan and region you're in. They generally offer both monthly and annual subscriptions. Annual subscriptions often come with a discounted rate, which can be appealing for businesses that are confident in their long-term needs. However, these annual plans typically involve a commitment for the duration of the year. Monthly subscriptions, as you might expect, offer more flexibility, allowing you to pay on a month-to-month basis and cancel with shorter notice. Now, here's a crucial point. While some Lightspeed plans might involve a commitment for a specific term, they often don't lock you into a rigid, multi-year contract like some other POS providers. This is a significant advantage, especially for small and medium-sized businesses that need the freedom to adapt and change. It's always best to confirm the specific contract terms with a Lightspeed representative or by reviewing their terms of service on their website. Don't hesitate to ask them directly about the cancellation policy, any potential early termination fees, and the process for switching between different plans. Transparency is key here, and a reputable company like Lightspeed should be upfront about their contract terms. Now, let's dig a little deeper into the different types of Lightspeed offerings and how they might relate to contracts. Lightspeed offers solutions for various industries, including retail, restaurants, e-commerce, and golf. Each of these verticals might have slightly different pricing structures and contract options. For example, Lightspeed Retail might have different terms than Lightspeed Restaurant. So, it's crucial to focus on the specific Lightspeed product you're interested in. Another important factor to consider is the hardware you might need. Lightspeed often works with various hardware providers, and these hardware purchases might be subject to separate agreements or financing options. So, when you're evaluating the overall cost and commitment, make sure you factor in the hardware costs and any associated contracts. One thing I always recommend is to take advantage of any free trials or demos that Lightspeed offers. This allows you to test out the software firsthand, get a feel for its features, and see if it truly meets your business needs. And while you're testing it out, don't forget to ask about the contract terms. This is the perfect opportunity to get all your questions answered and make sure you're comfortable with the commitment before you sign up for anything. Now, let's talk about what you should look for when reviewing any contract, whether it's with Lightspeed or any other software provider. First and foremost, pay close attention to the term of the agreement. How long are you committing to the service? Next, look at the pricing structure. How much are you paying per month or per year? Are there any setup fees, transaction fees, or other hidden costs? Be sure to understand the billing cycle and when payments are due. Another critical aspect is the cancellation policy. How much notice do you need to give to cancel your subscription? Are there any penalties for early termination? Understanding the cancellation process upfront can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Also, review the Service Level Agreement, SLA. This outlines the level of service you can expect from the provider, including uptime guarantees, support availability, and response times. A good SLA can give you peace of mind knowing that you'll have support when you need it. Finally, don't hesitate to negotiate. Especially if you're a larger business or have specific requirements, you might be able to negotiate better terms or pricing. It never hurts to ask. So, to summarize, Lightspeed generally offers flexible subscription options, including monthly and annual plans. While annual plans might offer cost savings, they typically involve a commitment for the year. Monthly plans provide greater flexibility, allowing you to pay as you go and cancel with shorter notice. However, it's crucial to confirm the specific contract terms with a Lightspeed representative or by reviewing their terms of service. Don't forget to inquire about hardware costs and any separate agreements that might be involved. Take advantage of free trials or demos to test the software and ask questions about the contract before you commit. And finally, always review the contract carefully, paying attention to the term, pricing, cancellation policy, and service level agreement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.